Is Microsoft Edge opening automatically on your Windows 11 device? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. Type %appdata% and hit Enter. Click on App Data at the top, then go to Local folder. Look for a folder named Microsoft.MicrosoftEdge with a random string after it. Double-click on the folder, go into AC, then Microsoft Edge, then User, Default, and finally Recovery. Inside the active folder, select All Files, Ctrl+A, right-click, and delete them. After deleting the files, restart the computer. Once back in Windows, launch Microsoft Edge to confirm it still works. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.